Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into your Wattpad account. So first you have to open your Google web browser or the Wattpad app in your mobile device. In the search center, you have to type Wattpad and enter it. And from the search results, on the first one that says Wattpad, simply you have to click on this option. So we could see we just landed to the Wattpad official homepage. And on the top right corner, there's a login section right over here beside the sign up. Click on that option, and if you have not enrolled or registered your account in the Wattpad, you can simply click on this option that says sign in. So click on this login first, and here you can see you can also log in with your Facebook or also with Google. And right here that says login, click on this option, and you need to type your username or email, whichever you prefer. And if you are preferring your email, then you have to type your email that is connected to your Wattpad. And you are also required with your password. And after the requirements that you filled up, you can simply click on this login right over here in order to log into your Wattpad account. So that is it, guys. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification icon for more upcoming uploads.